Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start a sports coaching business with CoachUp, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start a sports coaching business with CoachUp, begin by visiting the CoachUp website. Create an account by clicking the sign up button. Provide the necessary information, including your name, email address, and a secure password. Once your account is set up, take time to complete your profile. Add relevant information about your coaching experience and expertise in specific sports. Upload any certifications or credentials you possess to enhance your credibility. Set your coaching rates based on your experience and the market value in your area. Next, define the types of training you wish to offer, such as one-on-one sessions or group classes. Consider targeting specific age groups or skill levels to attract your ideal clients. Promote your coaching services by utilizing social media platforms. Join local sports groups and communities to network and find potential clients. Monitor your messages regularly to respond to inquiries in a timely manner. Utilize the CoachUp platform's tools to manage your scheduling and payments efficiently. Encourage satisfied clients to leave reviews to build your reputation. Continuously seek feedback to improve your coaching methods and client experience. Stay updated on industry trends and advancements in coaching to enhance your skills. With dedication and strategic marketing, you can successfully grow your sports coaching business on CoachUp. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.